We often eat a lot of things, but certain foods can negatively affect the functioning of our brain, which directly impacts our memory, reaction, emotions, mood, and also increases the risk of mental health conditions like dementia. As we age, we need to keep our brain healthy. Here are 6 worst foods for our brain that is slowly and steadily killing our focus, intelligence, and a lot more. 1. Trans fats. Since our school days, we have been told how trans fats can lead to obesity, health problems, and even increase cholesterol. Trans fats may also have other effects on our brain. If eaten for too long, they may lead to a kind of cerebrovascular contraction, which is somewhat similar to the shrinkage caused by Alzheimer's disease. This shrinkage of the brain takes place due to the fact that trans fats slowly damage the arteries. You can prevent these and reduce the risk of stroke by simply limit your intake of trans fats. 2. Sugary beverages. Cola, juice, energy drinks, soda has been a part of our lives. While they do taste amazing and kills our taste for a while, it also has some serious illnesses. Sugar and sugar products are not only bad for our waistline, but our brain function too. Long-term use of sugar can create a variety of neurological problems and prevent your good memory. They also have a negative effect on your brain, and type 2 diabetes is also at times the causes for increasing the risk of Alzheimer's disease. It is therefore advisable to avoid pre-baked products, sugar, corn syrup, and products which are high in fructose. 3. Extra salty foods. We all know how salty foods affect our blood pressure and really impacts our heart. Foods that contain large amounts of salt and can affect your cognitive function, intelligence, impair your ability to think. In fact, consumption of salty foods and nicotine have been shown to have the same effect as drugs because they cause severe withdrawal symptoms and craving for salty foods. 4. Fried foods. Almost all processed foods contain chemicals, dyes, additives, artificial flavors, preservatives, and so on. All these may affect your behavior and cognitive function, which is due to hormone that causes hyperactiveness both in adults and children. Fried and processed food slowly destroys the nerve cells located in the brain. However, some oils are more dangerous than others. Sunflower oil is considered one of the most toxic. Fried foods affect your central nervous system. They increase the risk of developing degenerative brain disease in later life, such as Alzheimer's disease. 5. Nicotine. Despite the popular fact that nicotine is quite harmful, consumption of it wreaks havoc on your brain, which decreases the free flow of blood, glucose, and oxygen around it. Needless to say, how these functioning are vital for your brain. From increased risk of lung cancer, premature aging, to tightening the capillaries, a blood cell that's quite essential when it comes to your brain function. 6. Alcohol. We already know what excessive consumption of alcohol can do to our brains. The side effects are like brain volume, disruption of the neurotransmitters, and more. It also leads to a deficiency of vitamin B1, which is related to causing brain disorder called Wernicke encephalopathy, a life-threatening illness which primarily affects the peripheral and the central nervous systems, which later develops into a chronic disorder, Korsakoff's syndromes, due to misuse of alcohol. Thank you very much. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, share, and comment for more videos.